What good with it? Today, I did something different, something cool you ain't seen before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I went to Plato's Closet and I bought as many good shoes as they had in there. Good is relatively speaking. But I'm going to sit here for 24 hours and I'm going to paint as many of these shoes as I can. And at the end of the video or the middle of the video, I give away a pair. So stay tuned, watch the whole video, and let's get it. You hear me?
We hit the jackpot this time.
Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear and you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. The make a killing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the Matrix way. I ain't really tryna go and say today. I ain't really tryna go and suffocate. I just want my money on pronto. That ain't how I'ma spread through the hunchos. She done crossed on the now they all wanna get a condo. Got them job, baby, you know that's the intro. One car hitters coming like my kinfolk. We done buy way longer than the stendo. That ain't how we gon' bow to the end of time. Think first before you crowd that line. Think first before you waste my time. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Time never slow up, make it work for me. And I bet not don't play with me. And we going way up, just wait and see. The top getting closer, I can really see. I know you ain't proud of a like me. They tryna look down on the.
Alright, man, so now I got everything prepped. I just stepped outside to get a little fresh air. You know, had to get some of this good cool air. I'm finna get back in there because it's cold out. But I got everything prepped. I got about maybe 8 or 9 hours left. So I'm about to get the paint. We're gonna see how many we can get done. And
ready. I gotta push hard for the fetties. Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear and you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. The nigga killing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the Matrix way. I ain't really tryna go and say today. I ain't really tryna go and suffocate. I just want my money on pronto. That ain't how I'ma spread through the hunchos. She done crossed on the ain't rondo. Now they all wanna get a condo. Got them job, baby, you know that's the intro. One car hitters coming like my kinfolk. We done buy way longer than the stendo. That ain't how we gon' bow to the end of time. Think first before you crowd that line. Think first before you waste my time. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. I can't go down that way. I gotta make sure I get paid. Don't let me go down that way. We on a mission to get paid.
Sono got the sauce, boy.
Ooh. We back. Yeah.
Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the paddy, but I gotta have it to buy any Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo. Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a GOAT, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't enough for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But maybe I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony. The way that these people they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer. I never been into the gunplay. That potato gon' turn a big shot to a whistle, so you never know what the gun say. I was talking the rock while you couldn't go outside, had to go out to see what your mom say. If you cheated on me, it's your loss, ain't no talking, no reason to look in your dumb face. Was it eating with me before I got my first meeting? Why should I let you in my lunch space? Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and then taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and copy a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I gotta have it to buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo. Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a GOAT, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't no for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But baby, I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony. The way that these people they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer. I never been into the gunplay. Don't step on my feet. Hottest in Memphis, I said it, I mean it. The flow came from Gates, I'm respecting the G. You must be crazy if you bitch your mouth to say that you know somebody better than me. Cause it ain't nobody better than me. Jack is his curfew, ain't stepping to me. Touch like your spring, get a cloak at your funeral. Come at a proper, you can get folded. Just like a towel that's fresh out the shower or fresh out the dry. I mean with your clothes. I got a mini Draco, but the clip on Colossal in case I'ma need a little closure. Coming correct is what you should be worried about. Don't get smoked like a wood for exposure. Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and then taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I gotta.
Alright, man. I appreciate y'all so much. I mean, so much. 5 G's on they back, man. You know, the squad growing, big strong. You know what I'm saying? So, I got something for y'all. And it's these. All you got to do is these. Still, if you want to win these, they are size 9. Me, you know what I'm saying? All you got to do, subscribe. Of course, you got to be squad. I'm not finna give this away to anybody who ain't squad. No. You got to be squad. Subscribe. Like the video. You know, yeah. And I'll be posting these on Instagram. Comment. Well, not comment, but just tag somebody on my Instagram post so I can make sure you follow me and all that good stuff right there. And then comment in this video what good with it. And that's it. You can win these. This will end, let me see. I'm going to give y'all 2.5 weeks. And the giveaway will end the giveaway will end on February 28th. So, yeah. That's when I'll announce the giveaway winner. So, if y'all want these, just follow them steps, man. And you got them. Yes, sir. Back to the video.
My effort. Can't you see my effort? 901 low key. Yeah. Better know I had.
I'm really getting tired of you, bro. I'm be honest with you. Mine, I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie.
You been working like a slave.
Sure have been working like a slave. I'm gonna let y'all see what I done got done so far. Here we go. And we working on these right now.
I say he been at it for about a good like 8 hours. What you think?
Probably so. We might be at a smooth 8 right about now. I don't know.
The blend's looking crazy.
Yeah, I'm blend going stupid like these. Dang, I just gave away the. That's crazy.
You can like bleep that part, make it
Yeah.
seem like yours.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. But yeah, man. So, whew. Got a little bit to go, man. The goal is 5 pair. The reason I'm doing colors and all that kind of stuff, then moving on to the next one, because I want to put the finisher on all of them. Just like a lot of them I had to put white on, so I try to do all that at the same time. So yeah, the plan is to put the finisher on all of them. I believe I'm gonna use the same finisher, maybe matte or flat, for all of these shoes. And man, we're gonna see how much we can get done. I'm gonna see you in a minute.
make a way in life through different situations. Why you make it complicated? Feel like you be trying to play me. Yeah, me up, I lock my dog to the street, babe. I won't give it up, I get my all on the beat, babe. She just wanna lay up in my bed, babe. But she ain't never been up in my bed. I gotta do better, I swear, don't you forget. Don't let all of my effort go unnoticed.
I just wrapped these. Yo, focus for me. Yes, sir. I just wrapped these up. Little lava flame type of deal. So on to the next ones. Yes, sir. Knocking these joints out. Oh, hold on, focus for me. Yeah, we knocking these out. Man. Pressure. So, it's the other one. Man, we got a few more hours to go. I'm trying to get it done, man. I'm tired. My back hurt. And I'm hungry. You know, yeah. I just finished them little Cobras. They defer. But my back is also on fire. I'm finna quit. You know, you.
Hey, bro, we should drink it. That junk look fire. Who made that?
Nah, don't worry about
Who made
it.
that, bro?
Don't worry about it, bro. Don't even worry about it. Ain't nobody.
You drinking, bro?
Nah.
You let my effort go and know that God bless. I keep going for X, feel like it nothing bad. Eat my dinner for breakfast, got me going for sex. Soaking up all the blessings, angels all in my presence. Life ain't what it seems, you gotta live on. I can't plug up all my feelings, where the earphones. Plotting up a million on a cell phone. Got me going through my songs like some heroin. Move on, gotta move on. If you understand me, better enhance it. Gotta in her panties, we don't need them panties. Baby, what it's gon' be, I ain't gotta demand it. All through my life I had to fight, mentally demand this. I see the lights are shining bright, the light dancing. Memphis nights what I recite, I never been to Kansas. I guess you right tonight, alright, just know I won't panic. Nah. Better know I had to make a way in life through different situations. Why you make it complicated, feel like you be trying to play me. Yeah, me up, I lock my dog to the street, babe. I won't give it up, I get my all on the beat.
Okay. Some of the footage, I ain't gonna say it was lost, but I was tired, so I didn't get all of the footage or whatnot. So the final shots of one pair of shoes, I'm just gonna show y'all right now. These were the last pair I did before the time limit was up. And I'm really digging these. So yeah, it was fun, man. It was real fun. It was tiring. My back was hurting. All that, but I got it done. So we got what, 4? Really, it was like 4.5 total, but I didn't finish the 5th pair. So we got 4 done within that 24 hours. That included me cleaning the shoes, doing slight restorations, like I cleaned it. Of course, I cleaned the shoe. Then I decreased the shoes, you know, acetone, taping, all that kind of stuff. I did all of that within the 24 hours. And honestly, it might have been, it's probably less than 24 hours because I went to sleep within that time and I counted that. So really, I'm really like amazing, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you like the video. If you like it, I know you did, you know what I'm saying? Please, even if you didn't like it. But yeah, man, make sure you follow me on Instagram at cadet_B7, you hear me? And subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And now, I'ma catch